Hi, I'm Dr. Bob Rhoton from the Arizona Trauma Institute, and I'm going to be in Pakistan in July delivering several trainings. One that I'm particularly happy to be able to present there is the Certified Clinical Trauma Support Specialist for individuals. It is a wonderful training, and it goes through the basics of not only how to understand trauma, but how to design the process of treatment so that you can keep a client in a regulated state while working through their trauma. The second course that I am really proud to present there is Motivating Traumatized Clients. A lot of times when people have a trauma history that's fairly significant, they pose certain challenges to motivate them. And primarily that is because the way their nervous system has been built is to avoid. And almost everything in mental health and coaching and self-help is designed for the person that's very forward-oriented. What's the goal you want in the future? For people with significant trauma histories, their entire nervous system is built on avoidance. And so when we begin to work with them, we have to be able to think differently in order to really help them navigate the transformation process. Again, I hope I get to meet many of you. I'm excited to be there in Pakistan, and I look forward to our time together. Take care. Bye-bye.